Hello, my name is Radu from Gentleman Works, and this is going to be an unboxing for a vintage lamp that is going to be a restoration and upcycling project. Pam pam pam. But before we start, let me tell you a few things about Gentleman Works. So we are, because there's two of us, me and my colleague Liviu, we are a couple of lightsmiths that are specialized in creative upcycling. We use objects we find in flea markets that have a story to tell, and we transform them into lighting projects, mostly with steampunk, diesel punk and retro charm inspiration. Please be gentle with us. This is our first video and we didn't do a proper light setup, a proper studio setup and so on. And obviously we need to learn to do some video editing before we upload great looking videos. But I wanted to start and show you our projects and how we're doing and what we're doing, and get as much feedback from you. You can find out more about Gentleman Works on Facebook. You can see our page here, and I'll put the link down below. So let's get to the unboxing. A bit of context first. So we have been doing creative upcycling for 4 or 5 years now, and people and friends know that we really love to put to good use old objects that look really cool and that have a story to tell, from the shape or the dust or the backstory they have. This friend called me yesterday, said he's clearing his grandfather's house, and he said he had some objects he thought I could use. One of these objects was an old lamp, and I want to show you what it looks like right now, and then we are going to do a lot of work on it and make it to good use. And my objective with this lamp is to restore it and to give it back to the person who gave the object to me as a gift, because he helped us a lot with promoting our business, and give it back so the memory stays in the family. So here it is. I know I'm not going to show it right, but let's try. So this is a really cool old vintage desk lamp my friend gave me. You can see it has all that old dust on it that tells a story of an object being stored and put away. We will clean this up. We will try to conserve the paint. You can see there are chips and a bit of rust. You can also see the old light circuit inside, and a bit of rust here. We will replace. We will actually try to repair the rust and see how much of this part we can use, because we really like to refurbish things, and if they're good and in good working order, we should use them, only if it's safe. The really cool thing about this lamp is I think these parts are brass, and once cleaned they will look really nice. The bad thing is this part is really damaged and the shape is not right, but I think we can do a really nice cleanup. I don't know if we can straighten it very well, because we don't have the tools for such this type of restoration, but I think we can do a lot to improve the looks. It's really heavy, it's button heavy, so it probably will stay upright in a proper manner. It also has bolt here or something like that. Probably it will help tighten the mechanism, so this part can be adjusted properly. It also has a combination of wiring and this will probably be replaced. First of all, because this is badly repaired and this is neither safe nor good looking, and second of all because it doesn't fit with the style of the lamp. I'm thinking we will maybe keep the light switch. Maybe it's old and it will be tough to find a proper light switch that fits this early 90s style. This light switch may be in proper working order. We will open it. We will see if it's safe and if it functions correctly, and we will probably use it with a new wire. Again, I noticed that this repair job is also a bit sloppy. I really love this detail. So this screw tightens the lamp and holds the position. So we will make sure everything works right here. Yeah, you can see it better now. And we will also look at the wiring inside the lamp and make sure everything is right. For sure we will replace the cable. The bottom of the lamp looks really bad. It's rusty. This needs serious cleanup and it may take some while before we do it right, but it would be a pity to leave it right like this. I mean, we don't want to restore the whole lamp and leave this part ugly. We don't believe in doing a sloppy job. I really think it will be a nice project. It will be a nice project to refurbish, and I want to give it back and make sure that using it will help those people remember when they used to turn it on their desk. Probably they used to do schoolwork on it, and I think this will end up looking really good. Thank you for watching this. Please encourage us. Take a look at our Facebook page. Take a look of our other projects. You can see a preview of one of our submarines there. You have other videos and photos of other upcycling projects. Please visit us, leave a comment, tell us what do you think about Gentleman Works, about our projects. We are looking forward for criticism, constructive criticism, suggestions, encouragements, because we are trying to launch this project and make it a sustainable business, and we want a lot of feedback and energy coming from those who watch us. Thank you. See you next time.